Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the C minor scale on your piano or keyboard. I'm going to be showing you the correct fingering for both right hand and left hand. And by the way, the C minor scale is also called the C natural minor scale. And the C minor scale has 3 flats: E flat, A flat and B flat. Okay, let's go ahead with the right hand. Starting with your first finger on C, we're going to be going up to the 3rd finger and then putting our thumb underneath to F. Let's do it. C, D, E flat, now thumb under to F, G, A flat, B flat and C. And going downwards, starting with your 5th finger all the way down to your thumb and then 3rd finger across. C, B flat, A flat, G, F, now 3rd finger across, E flat, D and C. Let's do it again. C, D, E flat, thumb underneath to F, G, A flat, B flat and C, and downwards again. C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F and 3rd finger across to E flat, D and C. So let's have a look at the left hand. This time you're going to be starting with your 5th finger, going all the way up to your thumb, then moving your 3rd finger across. Let's do it. C, D, E flat, F, G, now 3rd finger across, A flat, B flat and C. Going downwards, down to 3rd finger, then thumb under. C, B flat, A flat, thumb under, to G, F, E flat, D and C. Let's do it one more time, nice and slowly. C, D, E flat, F, G, 3rd finger across, A flat, B flat and C, and downwards, C, B flat, A flat, thumb under, G, F, E flat, D and C. So there you have it, the C minor scale. Now please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson, as I'm sure you did, okay? And subscribe to my channel to get more free piano lessons from me. Please do it now, guys, help me out here. Thank you, see you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart. Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.